There are different lug nuts for different wheels. So for example, you can take a look at this. This one here is tapered. It's kind of goes together at the top. This one, I call it, it's like T-shank. If you look at your wheels, they're going to be different. So this set of wheels here, it's flat in here. So you want to use something flat that goes in there. If you were to use this tapered one, you would end up causing damage to your wheels, especially if they're aluminum. It's also not safe. If you look over here, for example, these wheels, these are Anki PFO ones. I don't know if you can actually see, but these are actually angled. So lug nuts like this might work. There are a bunch of different lug nuts, so this one might be a little bit tight. You might want to use thinner lug nuts. Lock nuts go the exact same way, but these wheels, which are on the Vibe, are actually tapered, and they're a little bit funny since they would hold on a plastic hubcap. In this case, it doesn't matter since I don't have them anymore. Anyways, just want to show you that. Make sure you get the right lug nuts for the right wheels. I am putting these aluminum wheels, which are T-shank, onto this car, which currently has something like this.